Hi there, and welcome to our styling tutorial. In this video, we'll give you a tour of our Assessment Editor Style tab with some tips and tricks to help you stylize your assessment. When you log into your account, you'll be taken to your assessments page. This is where you'll see all the assessments you have created, some example assessments we have provided, as well as where you can create new ones. Let's style a new assessment together. In the upper right-hand area, find the New Assessment button and click on it. We offer simple, type, and multi-type assessments. Today we're going to create a type assessment. Now that you're in the assessment editor, the first tab would be the Setup tab. We should start by adding a title to our assessment. Let's call this the Style Guide. In our assessment header section, we can add our logo. If we know our logo is going to be somewhere else on our page or even in our background image, we can instead add the assessment title to the header section. I've gone ahead and created a nifty little graphic for our title, since our assessment will be housed on our webpage where our logo can easily be spotted. Let's add that in now. You'll notice it's easy to drag and drop images from your desktop to your file manager on Agolix. If we need to resize, we can click on our image and then click Resize. For this example, we'll need to add in a question to see the full effect of what stylizing your assessment can do. Let's go over to our Questions tab, and let's add an options question. Always remember, it's good practice to save your progress. Great. Now we've got that covered. Let's move on to our style section. As you can see, our assessment header has already appeared in our preview area. We have 4 options at the top, starting with our layout options. You can choose from a clean and simple, bordered, striped, or single question layout. Here you can select a font and the default text size for your assessment. Decide if you want to show the assessment title. Add a responsive background image. After, you can decide if there are any predetermined text throughout the assessment that needs to be changed to fit your company's voice. Finally, you can decide your color palette by either selecting a preset option or adding in custom colors to match your branding. For custom colors, you can make adjustments by adding in a hex code, typing in a standard color name, or selecting a color on this color map. Once your changes are made, select Save and Update Preview to have a live preview. Your assessment is now styled to match your vision. Great job! Please check out our other videos to learn more about our software and what we can do for you. Remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix. Have a great day!